Connect the adapter to the charging dock and place the charging dock against the wall. When plugged in, the light bar on the charging dock will light up in red. Put the robot in direct contact with the charging base. When the charging is successful, the light bar of the power base will display a green light. There are two ways to start the robot. First, there are two switches on the back of the robot. The left side is the power switch. Short press until the indicator light turns red to turn on the robot. The screen of the robot automatically enters the food delivery app interface. Second, directly contact the robot with the charging dock. When the charging is successful, the charging dock will display a green light, and the robot will automatically turn on. There are two ways to shut down the robot. First, press the power switch until the indicator light goes out to shut down. Second, click the gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen, click power, and you can choose to shut down and restart. There are two switches on the back of the robot, and the brake release switch on the right. When the robot is powered on, it cannot be pushed manually. Press this switch, the brake will be released, and the robot can be pushed manually. Press it again to brake, and the robot will not be able to push manually. Press the emergency stop switch, the robot will stop immediately. Rotate the button to release the emergency stop state. Here you can check the battery status of the robot. Here is the robot delivery path. Click the lock icon. When the lock icon is turned on, the corresponding table number displayed on the delivery path will disappear after the robot finishes delivering the food. Click the gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen, and click device info to view the robot information. Click setting, click LAN to connect to Wi-Fi. Click hotspot to connect to the hotspot. Click language to switch between Chinese and English. Click broadcast. You can choose voice broadcast and background music. Click sync map to synchronize the map. Click charge, and the robot will automatically return to the charging dock for charging. When the power is lower than 20%, the robot will automatically return to the charging pile to charge. Click power, you can restart and shut down the robot. There are two ways for the robot to connect to the software. On the robot food delivery app setting interface, click the gear icon, click settings. First, click LAN, make sure the computer and the robot are connected to the same LAN, turn on enable Wi-Fi, and connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the software and click on the robot in the file toolbar. In the local panel, click the right mouse button, choose to manually connect to the robot. Enter the Wi-Fi IP address and port number, and click connect. Second, open hotspot and make sure the computer is connected to the robot's hotspot. Then open the software and click on the robot in the file toolbar. In the local panel, click the right mouse button, choose to manually connect to the robot. Enter the IP address of the robot and the port number, and click connect. When the map appears on the software interface, click to switch the viewing angle, and if an exclamation mark appears on the robot icon, you need to check whether the emergency stop button or the brake release switch is pressed. First of all, you need to set the charging point on the map. There are two ways. First, align the charging sheet of the robot with the electrodes of the charging dock, and the charging dock will display a green light. Then click to switch the viewing angle in the operation panel, and click any point on the map with the mouse, and the machine will leave the charging dock and navigate to that point. After the machine leaves the charging pile, the icon of the charging pile will appear on the map, shaped like the letter T. Second, click Register Home Dock under the Home Dock toolbar to add a charging station at the current location of the robot. Click Erase Home Dock to remove the charging stand point. After the charging dock is successfully created, the robot can be controlled in 4 ways to scan the map. First, click the motion on the software menu bar. Here you can control the robot to turn left, turn right, forward and backward. Second, control the movement of the robot through the arrow keys on the computer keyboard. Third, click on the map with the mouse. Fourth, press the brake release button and manually push the robot. This way can better adjust the delivery angle of the robot. While controlling the robot's movement, the robot processes the radar data and generates a map to send to the software. The map data is divided into 3 colors. White represents known unobstructed areas, gray represents undetected areas, black represents obstacle areas. Click the map eraser under the SLAM toolbar to edit the area of the map. Add some special location marks, which can be directly modified through the tools in the software menu bar, or in the map editor. After controlling the machine to go to the selected location, click Create POI by current position, under the POI toolbar to edit the name and type of POI. First add a pickup point, edit the star name as loading point, and select Refill for the star type. Then add delivery points, edit the star name to Table 01, and select Table as the star type. Among them, the star name can be customized. After finishing editing the map, click Map Editor under the File toolbar, and click Upload to SLAMware to upload the map to the robot. After the map is created, the map needs to be uploaded to the robot, so that the robot will automatically load the map every time it is turned on, and there is no need to build the map again. Go to the robot interface, click Sync Map, the map will be successfully uploaded to the robot. First, the waiter puts the food into the tray in order, then clicks on the specified table number. Click Start Delivery, and robot will deliver the food to the destination. If you choose voice broadcast or background music, robot will start playing and stop playing until the meal is delivered. After the robot arrives at the destination, the customer needs to click Done after picking up the food, and the machine will automatically return to the food picking place, waiting for the next command.